Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Data and AI with Mukundan. In this episode, we're going to be talking about AI agents, but this time just focus on content creators. So, I myself am a content creator, and I think this is something that could help other content creators who are podcast hosts, bloggers, YouTubers, and other kinds of content creators. So, in this episode, we're going to be looking at what are AI agents, what are some of the challenges that creators face, why AI agents are the game changers, what are the key benefits for creators, a workflow example with Zapier, best AI tools for creators, transformation, which is a before and after AI, and a final takeaway. What are AI agents? AI agents are these autonomous systems that perform tasks like idea generation. So, let's say if you're a content creator and you're struggling to come up with new ideas, an AI agent can help you with that. And it can also help you with content creation. It'll help you create your blog, it'll help you create a podcast, and help you publish it as well. You can publish it to different social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook. AI agents will help with that. They help automate workflows and handle repetitive tasks so creators can focus on strategy and creativity. AI agents they integrate seamlessly with tools like Zapier, which help create powerful automation workflows. What are some of the challenges content creators face? We as content creators are spending too much time on repetitive tasks like scheduling or formatting the blog, formatting the episode description, formatting the transcript for the podcast. These are repetitive tasks and it can get really frustrating to be spending time you could be actually spending to create content. So that's not ideal. We content creators, we have difficulty in staying consistent with high quality output, right? And then we have limited time to analyze performance, like what went well and what did not go well, because we are spending time on these other tasks. And it doesn't really give us enough time to analyze our existing strategies and improve on them. So the problem is we're trying to scale up and we don't want to compromise on who we are and we don't have an existing way if it weren't for agents. So now let's talk about why AI agents are the game changers. They help automate repetitive tasks to save hours every week. They provide tools for scaling content creation effectively. They also offer insights, which are data driven recommendations to help improve engagement. They enhance creativity with brainstorming, content drafting, and visuals. So, if I want to focus specifically on creators, here are some of the key benefits that creators have with AI agents. They save time by automating admin tasks like scheduling and even the analytics piece. They help create high quality, personalized content with AI support. They consistently produce engaging blogs, videos, and social media posts. And they also help free up time to focus on creativity and strategy. That's what a content creator's focus should be, right? I mean, they should be focusing more on the creative aspect because that's where their interest is, and that's why they're content creators. But they also have to do all this admin related. Now, let's look at a workflow example of how content creators can use AI agents. So in this particular example, I'm going to give you a more oral walkthrough. I'm going to do another video walkthrough of using AI agents with Zapier. So this one, I just want to talk through this and just see what you think. And then we can do a video tutorial of how to build one AI agent from scratch using Zapier in the next AI agent related podcast, right? So let's look at using Zapier, how we can do an AI agent. Initially, you would build out an idea. So this idea would be your input stage where you'll have ChatGPT to brainstorm your content ideas. And then once these ideas are generated, you will send out a draft to Notion using Zapier as well. So it'll be like a two-step process at this point. ChatGPT for the first one to brainstorm ideas, then send it to Notion. Then you can create visuals with Canva for your social media. So that would be a step number three. So Canva would be triggered for the new ideas, right? Notion would be helping you store these ideas. And so Canva with step number three. And then Zapier can help schedule posts on Hootsuite or social media platforms. So it can do that kind of a scheduling as well. So maybe you can schedule your post to Twitter once Canva has designed it and connect an analytics tool like Google Sheets or any kind of analytics platform So that kind of performance tracking is also available with Zapier. So an end-to-end workflow is what I was talking about. Basically, you use ChatGPT to brainstorm content ideas. You send out a draft of these ideas to Notion. Then you use Canva to design social media posts. You help schedule these posts using a scheduler and use analytics tools. Could be any kind of analytics tools that Zapier provides. You can use it to track performance, and that's how you have an AI agent with Zapier. So, what are some of the best AI tools that creators can leverage for their content creation and especially as an AI agent? Right, for the AI agent purposes, you can use ChatGPT like I spoke about previously, Canva as well, Zapier is the main tool, and then DALI, which is like an image creating tool. So it can create AI based images with DALI. And in ChatGPT, if you have like the paid subscription, you can directly have a DALI based GPT, which would create an image for you. And it's pretty easy to do it from there. And Buffer is a tool which you can use to schedule and manage a social media posts. And I've also seen you can do it with Canva directly as well. So either Canva or Buffer for scheduling social media posts. And even with the earlier example with the AI agents where we were using Zapier for scheduling, you can use Buffer or Hootsuite or even Canva for scheduling posts. So again, multiple tools are available. It's just up to you as a content creator which tool you want to use. So now let's look at what happens before and after using an AI based agent. Before using this agent, content creation can feel overwhelming, time consuming. You're often spending time on repetitive tasks. But after using an agent, your workflows are more streamlined, you have more time for strategic planning, consistent high quality content is being produced by you because you have more time for yourself for the content creation aspect. So that's something that really excites you. You like creating content, but don't be bogged down by having your time taken away from you in all these admin related tasks which you don't enjoy. Let AI agents worry for you. Let AI agents take care of it for you. And you can be more free. And that's what we are all aiming to do. And that's why we have got into content creating so that we are able to express ourselves more freely. And AI agents can help us be more free. And that's the main aim, right? So just wanted to conclude today's episode. AI agents are transformative tools for content creators. They save time, boost creativity, and they help streamline workflows. So start experimenting with tools like ChatGPT, Zapier, Canva, and Buffer, Hootsuite, and other things which I mentioned earlier, which would help revolutionize your content creation process. That's all for this episode. If you like this episode, please leave a 5-star rating on your favorite podcast platform. And if you have any comments, just feel free to reach out to me directly on my website, mukundansankar.substack.com, and I will add links in the show notes. That's all for this episode. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.